To access the air filter, first open the hood. There are 4 clips that need to be removed. Push in on the middle of the clip, then pry the base off with a flathead screwdriver. Remove the rest of the clips the same way. Remove the panel to have access to the air filter housing. There are 4 fasteners securing the housing. Remove the fasteners. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the access panel. Reinstall the clips by pushing in on the middle so it is raised. This allows the bottom of the clip to fit through the hole. Then press to lock it in. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.